So why do some species disappear only to reappear years or even centuries later? Well, there are a few different reasons. Sometimes it's because the animal lives in a dense habitat like a rainforest where it's hard for scientists to spot them. Other times it's because they live on a remote island, like the Lord Howe Island stick insect. Or sometimes they're just really good at hiding. Like the terror skink, many of these species had been declared extinct because they hadn't been seen by scientists for a long time. But in reality, they were still out there clinging to survival in some of the most unexpected places. It's important to remember that sometimes we humans make mistakes. We might misidentify a species or accidentally destroy its habitat without realizing it. Take, for example, the great auk, a flightless bird that was hunted to extinction in the 1800s. For a while, it was thought that the great auk had been killed off by human activity, but recent research suggests that it may have gone extinct naturally due to a combination of factors including climate change and volcanic eruptions. There are also instances where species thought to be extinct reappear, but it turns out they're actually something else entirely. Take, for example, the Mongolian deathworm. This strange-looking creature was described by Russian explorers in the 1920s and was believed to be a new species. However, in 2003, scientists discovered that it was actually a type of beetle larva that had been misidentified. Despite these rare occurrences, in most cases, when a species disappears from the face of the earth, it doesn't come back. When a species goes extinct, it's gone forever. There are no Lazarus species walking among us. But now let's talk about a phenomenon that's similar to the Lazarus species, but not quite the same thing. Bring back the dodo bird. No, seriously, bring back the woolly mammoth. With advances in genetic engineering, scientists are now able to resurrect extinct animals and bring them back to life. This process, known as de-extinction, involves using genetic material from a preserved specimen, typically found in a museum, and combining it with the DNA of a closely related living species. The result is a hybrid animal that has the physical characteristics of the extinct species and the genetic makeup of its living relative. However, it's important to distinguish between de-extinction and the rediscovery of a living species. De-extinction is a deliberate scientific process that aims to recreate an extinct animal, whereas the rediscovery of a living species is simply the act of finding a population of animals that was previously thought to be extinct. Although both phenomena involve bringing back creatures that were once lost, they are fundamentally different. De-extinction is a cutting-edge field that raises ethical and ecological questions about the potential impact of introducing new species into existing ecosystems.